So, the only tool I've got is this. And it is my favourite knife at the moment. There's a thing. Where the fuck is the camera? There it is. Dee-dee-dee. It's a dinky little thing, but it does have quite a nice kind of solid blade-ish, which I'd sharpened earlier. So it's, yeah, dinky little thing. So the idea is to take my 3 twigs, turn them into darts. So I'm not going to go killing squirrels. I might use one as a con to my rapist mum, but there's a lot of spiders around here. Cobwebs. It's the weather. So I'm going to try, hopefully not, to split open the hammock whilst I'm doing my whittling. That one's a little bit, no. So I need something smooth. See, what I've also brought, because I'm expecting a bit of string that joins the 2 rubber bits together on the catapult to snap. Because I'm using sticks, not smooth, shafted metal. So you can't really say it without sounding porn. So what I'm going to do, I've got a bootlace, a shoelace, so I can use that to join the rubber bits together. So when that does snap, I'm suffering. So, handmade dart. Yeah, that went 15 meters maybe? Maybe 15? That's not bad. If it were smaller, like that first one I had, quick way to do it. If you're going to see something in a pinch, you want to do something. See where you get the knots, little twiggy bit sticking out. Break it just above there. There. Snap it just above, like that. So you've got your nice long shaft bit that's tapering off. Snap it, and then peel it down. That gives you your flight. Come back to me, doggy. Which gives you a nice, quick dart. Now it's probably not going to kill your bunny or your squirrel, but it may stun it if you can be quick enough. But you don't have to go and spend a fortune on darts. Although, if I were to I'm getting a bike back on the road at some point. So, oh, I was off by that much. That much! As I've only just really started doing this, that's not too bad. So, yeah, what I might actually do, not when I'm walking, it's too much fucking weight, but when I get a bike back on the road, I'm thinking ball bearings, because they're fairly cheap. And use those for a bit of target shooting. And more twigs to play with. I'm going to retrieve those.